It was a Sunday when we noticed water coming through the basement ceiling. Our whole media room was at risk. The furniture, the electronics, everything. We called RestoPros of Fairfield County and honestly didn't expect anyone to answer on a weekend. They showed up within the hour and started extracting water right away. Then they found something we had no idea about: mold growing in the crawl space underneath. I thought we'd be dealing with 2 separate insurance claims, but their team got the mold covered under our existing claim. They sealed all the wood framing with a protective coating so the mold couldn't come back, packed up our stuff, and rebuilt everything. We couldn't be happier with how they handled it.